Although Deep Creek Preserve has a vast array of trails to hike or ride horseback on, it is also located about a mile west of some major fun. When you head out the gate, you turn right and you head straight up the road. At the end, you'll find the boat ramp. It's not just any boat ramp. This boat ramp is at the same location as the Nav-A-Gator Grill. I'm going to read to you directly from their webpage, About Us overview. Visiting the Nav-A-Gator is a great way to entertain friends, family, and visitors. From dining in the restaurant to strolling through the old museum with Peace River fossils dating back hundreds of thousands of years, picking up a real gator souvenir in the gift shop, or having a snack of real gator meat. This will all be a true Florida experience. Our restaurant offers gator bites, which are served with Nav-A-Gator sauce. Another favorite food is our hearts of palm, also called swamp cabbage. This is harvested from Florida's state tree, the cabbage palm or sable palm. Other fare such as real grouper, fish and chips, cod, shrimp, big, thick, juicy burgers, and tasty cooked to-order special cut steaks made over our char grill. Smoked fish dip, jalapeno poppers, and for dessert is real key lime pie, a Florida favorite. On certain days we have live entertainment, and his tropical music will get your foot tapping and hands clapping as you sip a cool drink from our fully stocked bar. Specialty local beers brewed for the discriminating taste as well as domestic are available. We offer Pepsi products as well as IBC root beer. For pet lovers, our outside courtyard stage area is where you and your furry friend can enjoy an afternoon here in Old Florida. We even offer your pet his own doggy menu written in dog language. The Nav-A-Gator is a family-friendly place where, just like the old days growing up, we could sit with the grandparents and parents and kids and enjoy an outing together. Let the Nav-A-Gator be your local getaway and visit often. Your hosts, Nancy and Captain Dennis Kirk. Well, y'all, thank you for watching Boondock Florida. And just remember that if you're ever boondocking at Deep Creek Preserve and you're itching for something to do, just head right down the road about a mile, and there you'll find Nav-A-Gator Bar and Grill. And when you go in, look for Nancy and Captain Dennis Kirk and tell them that you've seen Nav-A-Gator Bar and Grill on the Boondock Florida YouTube channel. And thank you, y'all. Thank you for watching. And please remember, if you haven't subscribed, do so. Thank you.